This is the August Discover Beauty Box. Guys, stay tuned and wait until you see what's in here. Amazing. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing absolutely fantastic today. Today's video, we have a beauty room. It's a bit of a mess, so excuse all of the mess here and this. Yeah, it's depressing to say the least to look at it, knowing that I've got to sort it out. But today we are here for this. I'm a few days late with this. I've just been so busy. But this is a Discovered Beauty Box. This is the August box. Let's get it out of here. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you there. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Here is the box. So this is £25 per month. If you want a one-off box, I believe it is £30. I have a link. I'll pop the link in the information box and the comment box for you. Click that link and it will get you £3 off your first box. So every penny helps. You get skincare, hair care, beauty tools, makeup in here. You get some home stuff in here too, and I can't tell you how many items you get in here because it's different every month. And sometimes one item, for instance, one of the boxes that I've had was 7 lip products. So let's just get in here and have a sneak peek. So this is inside the box. We get a little thank you card. Just a little printed thank you saying thanks for shopping with them basically. And we have the edit card. Here it is. It has information on everything that is in the box. This edit is called All Shook Up. So yeah, cool. I'm just gonna lift everything up so we can actually see what's in here. There we go. There is a little sneak peek. There is a lot to look at. So let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we're getting in what August box. Unfortunately, if you want this box and you are not subscribed, you're supposed to order it before the 10th of the month. So if you order now, you won't get this month's box, you'll get next month's box. I only wish that I got this early. I'd love to message them to ask for it early, but I feel cheeky, so I'm not going to. But yeah, let's have a dig through. Back to the edit card. We're just going to read the little note that it has in here, and it just says, time to get all shook up, DBB fam. Trying something new and shaking things up has never been more easier. The month of August holds some fantastic products to help you try something different. The first product we have is this. And for those of you who might recognise this, this was in the Rocker Box this month. So this is by the brand Hair Syrup and it is watermelon milk. The RRP is $13.99. And it just says, during the warmer weather, hair can become thirsty and dry. To combat this, Hair Syrup have developed the perfect pre-wash treatment. Watermelon milk aims to feed your hair full of nutrients and vitamins to aid in nourishment, deep conditioning, hair growth and radiance. So I was just saying in my Rocker Box video, I will link that video there if you want to go and see it. I've been wanting to try some of the oils from this brand. The one I wanted to try, I think it's called Rapunzel. It would have been cool if we got this in this box, but never mind. I'm really eager to try this. So this brand is on TikTok and she does lots of TikToks and people's hair look absolutely amazing. Yeah, there it is. Does it smell of anything? Doesn't smell of anything obvious, but yeah, I can't wait to try that out. The second item we have is this. So this is by the brand Adaptology. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And this is Red Avert Cleanser. It has an RRP of £38 and it just said Gold Award winner and Best Natural Product winner at the Beauty Bible Awards 2022, featuring blue tansy, which aids in hydrating, nourishing, soothing, calming irritation, and is full of antioxidants, black cumin and orange fruit water. I can't talk today. Perfect for daily cleansing, also great for removing makeup, and it is vegan. I really like the packaging. It's nice, simple, clean cut. Oh wow, I was not expecting that. So it's open, there you go, it's like a gel. And it smells amazing. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to try that out tonight when I remove my makeup. Guys, that smells gorgeous. Third product, we have this. So this is by the brand CBD, and it is 005. Let's have a look. The RRP on this is $34.99, and it just says so pure it's good enough to eat. Made with hemp seed oil, CBD is said to help with stress, anxiety and sleeping better. However, if tasting is not for you, you can add this CBD oil to your current skincare that you're using. Simply add a few drops to boost your skincare, as CBD also has benefits for anti-aging, acne, counteracting free radical damage, diminished dullness and inflammation. It's 100% THC free. So that's good. So yeah, if you want to eat it, you can. If you want to put it in your skincare, you can. It's very flexible indeed. I love stuff like this. I'm going to try both, if I'm honest. Yeah, you get 10 mils there. So the thing is with this, the CBD oil, the good stuff, it is expensive, but so worth it. There's a lot of stigma attached to it, but because it is the, what you call it, the THC free, that bit is the illegal bit. This is just all the healthy good stuff here. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to give this one a go. There you go, it's in a little dropper there. Right guys, so the fourth product we have is this. We have a palette, and it is this. So this is by the brand La Roche Cosmetics, and this is a blusher palette. It has an RRP of $12.99, so very affordable. It just says, have all the blusher you need with this fabulous 10-pan matte and shimmer palette. If you're traveling, there's no need to pack all your single blushes. With a wide variety of shades, you can pick from light washes of colour to more pigmented blush looks. You can even mix shades to create your own unique blush shade. Top tip, these blushes can also be used on the eyes. Wow. We've had a palette in the last few boxes every month now for a little while. It's, wow, oh my god, look at those colours. Let's take this plastic. At all of them gorgeous shades. Oh my god, they look awesome. Should I try some out? We'll try 4 shades out. So I'm going to go for this muted one here. I'm going to go for this shocking pink one here. This one is a shimmer one. Let's give that a go. I can see, well, it looks shimmery in anyway. And let's go for this one. That's a shimmery one too. Wow, they are so beautiful. Do you want a closer look? Aren't they gorgeous? These two on the end here are the shimmer ones, but it's very subtle. Yeah, I don't think you can see on my camera in any way. But yeah, really pretty. The fifth product we have are these right here. So we have some makeup brushes and we have a sponge. So these are by the brand Synergy Collections, and they are called, what's that? Blanc Brush Set. And it just says, it's time for some new additions to your brush collection. Starting with 001B, a fan brush, perfect for bronzing and highlight. 002B is a powder brush, great for mineral foundation. 004B, a flathead foundation brush, just right for liquid foundation to give an airbrushed look. And the 010B, a tulip brush, a delightfully fluffy brush for your blusher and contouring. Adding to the new blushes is a latex-free makeup sponge that can also be used wet or dry and easily cleaned with a mild soap and water. Cruelty-free and vegan. These have an RRP of £20.99. Wow, I love receiving brushes, and I love it even more when you get a set of them, because I love a set. I don't know which one to look at first. Let's look at the brushes and then the sponge. Wow, so this is the fan brush. Guys, it is so soft and really good quality. Oh, and it's so nice to look at. White handles with the silver jewellery. Awesome. Yeah, they're really, really good quality. Very soft and fluffy. I'm loving them. Absolutely loving them. And they go with my new beauty room. Once it's done, in any way. The sponge. Very nice colour. Purple, lilac-y kind of colour. Very soft. I can imagine, obviously, when you put water on it, it's going to expand and become even softer again. Yeah, fab. That feels really good quality, actually. Personally, yet again, I am loving this box. It just says here, this box is worth £125.95. Wow. Wow. These products are so, so good. These boxes, or this box I should say, each box is good, consistently good every month. Absolutely every month. It's fantastic. Yeah, I am over the moon. I'm loving these brushes. They're so aesthetically pleasing, it's crazy. Can't wait to try that hair oil, that blusher palette. Gorgeous. Yeah, a nice little cleanser to try out and see how good it is at removing makeup and so on. And yeah, some CBD oil. Massive, massive thumbs up from me. Have you got this box this month? Were you lucky enough to get it if you ordered before the 10th, or if you're already a subscriber? Again, I do apologise. I wish I got this before the 10th to show you, so you could have time to get it yourself. But if you order now, you will not get this box. It will be next month's box that you'll get. But guys, I say do it. Order now. Yes, you don't know what's going to be in next month's box, but I haven't had a bad box by this brand since I've joined, and it's been, what, over a year that I've been subscribing to this box. It's been fantastic. Yeah, I don't know what else I can say. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.